A new centre dedicated to tackling myopia has opened in Singapore. The facility in Bedok could see up to 5,000 people a year and will also conduct research and public education on the eye condition.
Singapore has one of the highest myopia rates in the world, with 1 in 5 children having the condition by the time they enter primary school and 7 in 10 by the time they reach 18 years old.
There is an urgent need for synergistic efforts to counter myopia, and SNEC's Myopia Centre is one such national effort to bring together healthcare professionals to not just provide care and early detection for myopia, but also educate the public on preventive measures, as well as collaborate with relevant stakeholders to advance clinical research in this area.
He was speaking at the official opening of the centre. Led by optometrists, this one-stop hub provides personalized screening services and treatments for patients with myopia. These include eye drops to reduce myopia progression in kids.
We're able to cater across ages as well as across disease profiles. For example, a young person with high myopia will certainly have a different problem or a different diagnosis as well as management plan compared to a 60-year-old with high myopia who may have cataracts and glaucoma. So currently, if a patient has complications from myopia, they may have to go to different departments within the hospital, whereas here they just need to come to one place.
The Myopia Centre will be working with industry partners to research into and test new devices to prevent the condition from progressing, as well as create awareness for nearsightedness among those in the community. A memorandum of understanding was signed between Singapore National Eye Centre and Singapore Polytechnic to groom more eye care professionals through clinical attachments and internship at the Myopia Centre.
The students actually benefit from the exposures to all these myopic patients and how the optometrists and ophthalmologists actually manage the myopia control and myopia progression.
This first batch of optometry students will begin their 4-month stint this October.
Interning here at the Myopia Centre will be great for me because I get to learn a lot more and step out of my comfort zone, especially working with kids because it's not something that I do all the time back in Singapore Poly at the SP Optometry Centre.
Also launched a children's book on myopia, aimed at children between the ages of 3 and 8. It hopes to encourage them to play outdoors rather than on electronic devices to reduce the chances of being short-sighted.